Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get unready. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and take my eyelashes off, and I'm just going to put them in my drawer. Now I'm going to take my Neutrogena wipes, and I'm going to just go ahead and just wipe off, the top layer of my makeup. And with these wipes, I like to try to get off as much makeup as possible before I go in with my other products. Now I'm going to take my Tree Hut Skincare Cleansing Facial Gel. This is the Balancing Rosewater, and this helps with exfoliating the skin. It deeply cleanses the skin, and it hydrates and softens the skin as well. Then with my spin brush, this brush helps to basically clear out any dirt and oil trapped inside of your pores. This also helps to exfoliate the skin as well. So now I'm just going to pour a little bit on my hand. I'm just going to put this on all over my face. It gets soapy, but I did not add any water with it. So that's probably why you guys are not seeing it, appear very soapy. Now I'll be taking my Biore charcoal acne scrub, and this clears out acne within 2 days, and it's utilized to penetrate pores to control and prevent the development of new acne blemishes. And it's also oil-free, it's dermatologist tested, and it's basically utilized to stop acne from occurring. Like if you feel like there's a pimple that's about to pop up on your face, or you feel like, oh my god, like my face is just so dirty, like I'm about to break out, you need to quickly get your Biore and apply it onto your face and just exfoliate with your spin brush or your hands. Now I'm just gonna wipe that off with a wet towel. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take my Neutrogena Alcohol-free toner, and this helps to cleanse and refresh without stripping the skin's moisture. This is utilized for all skin types. It purifies and helps the condition of your skin. It's alcohol-free, like I said before, and it helps to eliminate any clogged pores that you may have as well. And I saw this on Instagram. This is the Ology dermatologist approved cream. It's for wrinkles, firmness, clogged pores, dark spots, skin texture, and anti-aging and acne. But for me, I utilize it for the dark spots after I get a pimple or something like that. So I only add just a little bit on the palm of my hand, and I just rub it in, and I just put it on my face. Okay, so I saw that I had just a little bit of makeup still on my face, so I took a Q-tip and I dipped it in water, and I put some of the Neutrogena, some of the residue from the Neutrogena wipe on to the Q-tip, and I just took off that black liner because that's always lingering around for some odd reason. As you can see on the Q-tip, like how much came off, it's just ridiculous. Like, I always get so scared with putting, like, you know, chemicals or products, period, that close to my eyes, because I don't know, I just have this phobia. I think that one day I might go blind that way or something, I don't know. Just gonna wipe that away. And now I'm gonna take my tea tree oil. With this oil, I put this oil everywhere. I put this oil in my scalp to help my hair grow. I put this on my eyebrows to make my eyebrows grow. It's used for like blemishes. It's used for like the redness of the face. It's literally used for everything, especially specifically targeting like fungus or, you know, anything like a, you know, breakage. Just literally anything that you can think of. Tea tree oil helps the problem. It gets the job done. Oh my god, that like, ugh. If y'all could just smell my face, it's just ridiculous. I almost like got mesmerized. And I just put a little bit on my lips just to get rid of like any dark spots on my lips as well. And I take my Vaseline and I put it on top of it. It's also very important that you apply your oils before your moisture because it will get trapped. And that concludes this video. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. I'm about to go to bed. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.